If you've watched any of our videos, you know that this is called Frankencube, and we built this last year for a Halloween show here on the Guru Brew. So I'm going to tape this and turn it on for this Halloween. The way you turn this computer on is a strip of aluminum here and here. You just jump it together with a wire or a piece of metal or something like that. Here we go. So it's pretty cool. There's a Pentium 3 inside this thing. I can remember staying up late and putting this together to make sure it was ready for the Halloween show we had on the Guru Brew. See the insides. See a spider on the side there. So anyway, that's Frankencube. Well, I'm here at the Haunt Forum on the internet. It's hauntforum.com because a viewer that watches our videos, his name is Tyler, chimed in one day and let me know that he has a board that he developed and he sells on the Haunt Forum, if anyone's interested, that controls props. And you can go to the Haunt Forum, and I'll put the link in the description. But anyway, this is a prop controller, 4-channel, and you'll learn how it works and what it's for in a minute. But he offered me a board if I was willing to put it together. And I said, sure, give me a board. And he sent all the necessary items that I needed. And he also gave me a shopping list of everything that I needed to complete the board. So he's sending me the PCB board is what he's doing. And I got to tell you, Tyler's a real rock star here over at the Haunt Forum. There's a whole big forum page just devoted to this. So he's been making these boards for a while, and they're low cost, and they drive up to 4 things. And they also have the ability with MP3 audio on board, so that's pretty nice. And it has fairly low part count, and it's a do-it-yourself kit. And he also offers the boards for anyone that wants to use it as a public domain item. So I'll put the link in the description. So that's really nice of Tyler to share this with us. For you guys that are doing haunts, and you probably know Tyler already, I think he also does these boards and sells them for Christmas controllers, which is a really good idea too. It's basically 4 relays on a board that click in and out according to the timing that you use on row button controls, and then it remembers it. Okay. If you look on the Haunt Forum, you'll see a video where Tyler describes how to use it here, and it's pretty in-depth. It's really pretty good. And as you come down the page here, you'll notice that he has the shopping list, and that's what I'm after now. I'm going to go ahead and get these parts ordered so that when Tyler's board comes in, I can go ahead and start building it. And he recommends that I go ahead and buy most of these parts from tandaelectrics.com. So that's where I'm going to go. You can see it's here, Tanda Electrics. And he's got the parts nicely laid out for us. And the first payment should be around $10 to Tanda. And he even gave me a coupon that I can use. And there's also the additional MP3 player module, and that comes from mdfly.com. I don't think you have to use it because it says the word optional, but I'm going to go ahead and get it, and that's another $10 there. So Okay, so here's Tyler's board that I told you about. He sent it to me. Looks like a pretty nice board. I'm going to get the directions and start building this thing. Here's all my parts from Tanda Electronics when I went shopping on the internet that came in. So I'm going to have to sort all these bits out, but this is all the loose little parts. Also, I have a package here from that MD Fly, which is the MP3 controller, and that's right here. We'll take a closer look at that in a little bit. So Tyler has some pretty nice instructions here on the website, on the Haunt forum, and also he sent me a link with some written instructions on how to get started. And he starts you out with the smaller components, and we just go around. The first thing he asks for is the 1K resistors, which are here. There's 9 of them, and if you get a look at the board, you can see that it's actually marked, so this is pretty easy to do. Okay, I might have skipped a few steps because I was monkeying around with this. Forgot to get my camera out. But this wire right here has 12 volts. And I just cut off an old wall wart is what I did and rig it into here. This is going to my speakers, which are right here. I'm going to have to replace these. They don't sound very good. They're too small. And I messed up the resistor right here. I actually put in a 330K instead of a 330, and this LED wasn't lighting because it only had 1.5 volt. Now it's got the correct one, so the yellow LED works. And I already told you about this connector that I got the wrong one for the stereo jack. Now that's correct. So I've got these wires hooked up to the try me button on our ghoul here, and the other one's going to be hooked up to a red light inside the barrel, and then another one's going to be for the pneumatic. I don't think we'll use the third one. Maybe we'll hook a smoke machine up to the third one, or fourth one. Anyway, my boy's going to press the buttons and show you how this programs. You press the first one and the yellow light comes on there, and then he goes ahead and programs it. He's just going to do a quick little program with the one channel that we have for these lights. If you want a better explanation of how to program this, watch Tyler's video. There'll be a link in the description. And then he's done, so he's going to go ahead and finish the recording. And then to play it back, you just hit the playback button. and you can see it sequences just exactly the way it was put in. So this board works good. So the only hitches I had was my own fault, really. I put in a wrong resistor here. I put in a 330K instead of a 330, and I ordered the wrong stereo jack here. Other than that, everything works good and good to go. Okay, that's it for now. Okay, well, we're getting progress made here. This is what we have so far. This is Tyler's control board. You can see the wires coming out of the barrel. We still got to tidy things up, but I think we're getting it programmed. And we've got our speakers over here. So we need to put things in order, but we have a little program set up. I'll show you that here in just a sec. Okay, here we go. We don't have the soundtrack done quite yet. That's a quick sequence we made. Okay, well that's all you get for now. We'll show you Halloween night or thereafter what we've done. This is our setup till we get tidied up. We still have to paint this and everything, but that'll come. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.